Hi, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm a mentor, analyst, and host of the Grok Star Trading Room. I'd like to talk about two trades that we had this morning on KND at Kindred Healthcare. This is the 1 minute chart, and this is what it looked like yesterday at 4 o'clock. And then just see what had happened at opening. Boom! Look at that, up 12.8%. Now we'd identified this in pre-market and had it on our watch list. But let's pull this down and expand it out a little bit and see what happened next. Well, one thing that did not happen, it didn't pull back after a 12% gap with a lot of profit taking. People are still there trading it, and who's in control? It is still the bulls in control. And it's forming what we call a ascending triangle. And the ascending triangle, if you want to know more about how to trade that, you can go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to ascending triangle. And the description of it here, as well as a picture where you have a line of resistance here, and it keeps hitting that and getting smaller and smaller on its pullbacks. This is a bullish formation. So I set a order just above that area so that if it went there, I want it to be long. Next candles, boom, there we go. I did get filled right here at 10:30. 10:30 I'm now long KND. And we continue to go up from there. Look at that, just a rocket. And then it pulled back hard, but just at the peak up here, I did take half at 10.64 for 3.3%. And then it pulled back hard. I mean, this does represent over 1% there on the pullback. Up again, pulled back again hard, and it took me out of my stop, which I had pulled up to 10.50 and 1.9%. So this total trade here, from here up to here and the other half there, was for 2.6% in 6 minutes. Let's see what happened after that. Kind of was falling down. Now it's forming what we call a low base. Again, you want to know what a low base is? You just go low base. It's either breakdown. Here's what it says about it, and then here's a picture of it where you have a rundown and a line of support here. That this is a bearish formation, that when it breaks this is expected to fall. So here we are. We have our rundown, and it's low basing there. So I set a short order ready to go if it were to break that area, and there it broke it right there, and I'm in at short at $10.24.5 to be exact. And I continue on down. Bam! Isn't that nice? So then it pulls up right back to my entry, and now it's starting to fall again. And look here, this 8 EMA exponential moving average is acting as resistance. So as long as we stay below that, we're in good shape. But now we're coming up to the $10 whole dollar amount, which is potentially support. Comes right down to it. And now we have the 50 period moving average moving up here, all colliding at one time. That sliced right by us. And now that $10 mark, look at that. It's like a magnet here, just ticking along. And I finally said, okay, I'm out. Also volume down below here, very, very low. I got out. I covered at 10.99 for 2.4% in 26 minutes. These are the kind of trades that we're doing in the Grok Star room, and you're welcome to join us. 30 days for free. Just come to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, where you can sign up for your free trial. This was just 2 of 14 trades that we called today in the room, for a total of 9% net uncalled trades. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. Just remember, discipline is not something you do to yourself. It's something you do for yourself.